Welcome to Different Strokes. My name's Nick. That be Tyler. Yeah, today we are taking the Suzuki Samurai motor. We're gonna be putting it on this like little roller caster thing, putting it on the side of the house, getting the Samurai out, bringing the Jetta in, and start taking part of the Jetta. We get it. So my engine VW conversion kit came in today from Acme Adapters. I got the flywheel kit and the transmission kit, so I can bolt up the 1.9 TDI to the stock Suzuki Samurai transmission. So this comes with everything, like telling you how to do it, what I should do, because I do have to drill out the crank, and it comes with like a little tool that goes over the crank, which is pretty cool. But yeah, excited. I got everything. The only thing left I really got is like the maybe a new radiator, but I have like an old Honda 2-core radiator that I'm gonna probably use. Take it out, and then I am going to be selling my Suzuki Samurai 1.3 liter bottom end, 1.6 liter fuel injected top end with all the wiring harness from Charletough. I never got it running, so good luck if you want it. For sale, not on sale, so don't Jew me. Or you could Jew me, it doesn't really matter. I'll probably take like $300-400 bucks. The kit itself is like $300, so. All right, here we go. Let's start moving this out. Alright, here goes the final destination for that bad boy right there. It's no longer going to be a Jetta with a motor in it. It's kind of sad. They didn't say shit. Yeah.
And by the way, my daughter, what do you want to do?
Straighten it out. We're gonna go forward a little bit. I would rather have it straight. Okay, this is gonna be an intermission because I have to go get my wife ice cream. So, priorities. Tyler said he doesn't want ice cream, but I know deep down inside he does. Ice cream. We're gonna start taking a little bit apart. It's already kind of getting late. I don't want to be out here too late, but yeah. Start taking it apart. Probably take like the intake off and stuff like that, like little stuff, and start digging into it a little bit more tomorrow. It's gonna start getting like into like 108 to 100, I think 105 to 108 this upcoming week. So we'll knock out a lot.
Okay, so in the very beginning when we bought this thing, I didn't even do a compression test. I had to do the valve cover compression test to see if we have any flow by, but this is us trying to test it to see if it did have any, and thankfully it did not. It did smoke a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. It has 200,000 miles, but
Alright, I know that was a super short one, but me and him just came to the conclusion that I am going to be going online and I'm going to do some research and just make sure I know exactly what I need to take this apart, like just correctly, and what I need to take out. So, see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.